Hey, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the friendgate feature. And using the friendgate feature you can make sure that you can exclude certain content only to users who have actually invited their friends over. So not just share their message, but only if their friends also try to get access to that content, they will actually get access to that content. So for instance, if you say, well, you have to invite 2 other people, then only if 2 of their Facebook friends have tried to get access to that content, that first user will actually see that content. So if you have something really valuable that the user really wants to have, then this is a really powerful feature to make sure that your users will actually go out and actually ask their friends to join as well. Also actually ask their friends to get access to that content as well. So it's really important that you have something of real value, but when you do, this is something that can go viral really quickly. And before I'm going to enable this feature, we need to create 3 pages, and the first page that I need to create is a cancel. I'm just going to call it the cancel page, because the user will get an authorization screen from Facebook, and when they think, well, I'm not going to do that, I'm going to press cancel, then they will see this window, this page, sorry. So you can have a message in here saying that, well, just explaining why you want them to authorize it. So explain a bit more, give them a bit more detail, and then ask them to do it again, because they might reconsider. So an explanation and try again, for example. Make sure that you selected the correct application here and select the layout and hit publish. The next page that I'm going to create is the page that if they try to get access but they don't have enough, not enough people have joined as well. So a friendgate not enough, I'm just going to call it that. This is where you can have a message saying that thanks for trying to get access to whatever you're offering, and then saying that they need to invite 3 or how many friends you want to invite. They need to invite an X amount of friends to this page in order to get access. So and then you can also mention how many friends currently did this. So that can be done by using a shortcode called friendgate count, and this will just show a number of how many friends of this particular user, have already signed up. Currently, for example, 1 friend signed up or tried. And once, and you can of course embed some Facebook share or Facebook invite buttons if you want, to make it easier to invite their friends over. Also make sure that the right application is selected here. Select the layout, hit publish, and we're going to create a page with friendgate. Thanks. So this will be the page that once they have enough, once enough of their friends have tried to get access as well, and then they come back and try to get access, the first user, they will see this page. So this is where you will have your actual freebie of something of value. You will have that on this page, and then once again make sure that you selected the correct application, select the layout, hit publish. And now it's time to start enabling the friendgate feature. I can just do it on the start page or at any other page, but I'm going to create a new page just to show it to you. Friendgate. I'm going to make sure that the correct application is selected here. I'm going to enable the authorization screen, which is the starting point of the friendgate. And then the authorization abort page is cancel. So if they get the authorization screen, which I will show you in a second, they press cancel, they'll see the first cancel page. Enable friendgate. Yes, I'd like to enable friendgate, gate, and for example 2, so they need to invite 2 of their friends over. 2 people have to try to get access before the first user, this user, will get access to it. And as long as they don't have 2 friends, or actually just make it 1 for now to show it. If they don't have enough, they'll go to the friend gate, not enough. And if they do have enough, they will go to the thanks page. Hit publish. I'm gonna copy this URL, and I'm going to the start page. So I'm just gonna add a link to it for now, just for demonstration, and I'm gonna reload this page. Once I try to get access to it, you'll notice that I will get an authorization screen. So if I press cancel, I will see the explanation that you gave on the cancel page. So here you can explain why I need to allow this application, and ask me to do it again. So let's try again, and this time I'm going to allow it. So go to app. As you can see, I currently don't have access yet because I need 1 friend to join as well, and I currently have 0 friends that try to get access. So I'm going to open up another account, which is a friend of this account right here, and I'm going to join the friend gate as well. Go to app. As you can see, this account also doesn't have access to this freebie. But when I then go back to my first account, so that user has tried to invite their friends over, and he asked, hey, do you want to help me out or anything, and then he goes back to see what his status is. And yeah, there it is. He got access to his freebie because he asked one of their friends, and that friend did actually help him out. So this is a really cool feature if you have something of real value to share. So that's it. And of course, you can always use other features inside the friend gate. Let me just. You can also use other features such as collect the email address at the same time, post a message, but I'll show you that in another video as well. So I'll talk to you in the next video.